What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Cinco de Mayo. It is Monday, May 5th, 2025. 6:34 here in the great communist state of New York. You know, Hochul looks like she may be getting a run for her money come the next New York State governor election. Looking quite promising to evict that disgusting woman, turning New York State into a complete shit show. It was already a shit show, but she's just making it worse. Wow. You know what? Well, thank God, because there's an agenda behind everything. The same way God's hand saved Donald Trump from that wannabe assassin. He got his shit pushed back, that's for sure. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's Monday. This evening, we have our first class that was rescheduled from last week. I wasn't feeling too good. I had like a stomach bug or something, but this evening, 7 o'clock, to the 3 people who are confirmed attendees. We're gonna have some fun. That's the goal, at least. These got delivered on Friday. These are the Mikey Pipes by ACIQ. Side discharge, inverter, heat pump systems. The only problem is this 454B, you can't get anywhere. That's a problem. You can't get it anywhere. I'm looking at my supply here, and we're pretty stocked with 410A, but we only got one jug of 454B. I got some 134A. And a lot of recovered R22. We got an R32 there. A lot of people are saying online, just put in 410A. It still works. Yeah, well, I guess they didn't plan this one out too thoroughly, did they? You can't even buy 454B. How the hell do you expect you to install this shit if you can't get the refrigerant? Crazy. Nonetheless, it is Monday morning. Now, it's not as glorious as it would be if it was a Friday, right? But we do have a fun-filled week. Fun. If you're going to work on Monday morning, miserable, right? Perhaps maybe, it's time you find something that doesn't make you miserable. Either you don't love your career or you hate the company you work for. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. It's literally that simple. So today we are packed with service calls. I have 3. Daniel has 4. Mike has 1. Tomorrow I have 3. Daniel has, well, it's 5, but it's 5. Well, yeah, this one is going to get changed. One that got pushed onto the schedule by House Call Pro being able to book online. We have to change that. Wednesday, we are installing the 2 outdoor 36-ton side discharge heat pumps at the installation address. I was getting that out of the way. I'm probably going to run some of the line set as well, just to get it mounted out of the way. That way, when we come back, we're going to bang out both air handlers. Thursday, a couple service calls, and Friday. Friday, we are, this Friday coming up, which is May 9th, there's a company rule this Friday, only 2 service calls, an 8 to 10, the 10 to 12, and we are going to do the full meet and greet here, starting at around 12:30, 1 o'clock. for free Fridays. You know, free hot dogs, free popcorn, free French fries, and for the first time, as long as the machine arrives in time, free cotton candy. Awesome. Can't wait. I can't wait. Over the weekend, I did activate our Indeed account again and enabled the HVAC residential position that I'm trying to fill. $50 a day is the budget. I did that on Saturday night. I got nothing yesterday, by the way. Absolutely nothing. Now, I know what you're going to say. Mikey Pipes, is too late. You can't look for HVAC techs in May. That is wrong. And I'll tell you why I think that's wrong. Let's say you are working for another contractor. Let's say they're beating you up with service call after service call after service call, and you're getting run down. Well, they're working you to death. So come over here. You won't be worked to death. And you'll enjoy the perks of working for Mikey fucking Pipes. Not working for, working with. I don't like that whole for thing because it makes me seem like militant. You know what I mean? And I don't think I'm militant. I don't know what they say behind my back, but I'm sure it's nothing good. I'm joking. But listen, I stocked the fridge, the freezer, right? We got Oreo ice cream sandwiches. We have chocolate cones. We got these chicken and cheese taquitos. We got golden crust spicy beef patties. We got pizza bagels. We have the Crustable tater tots, ice cream, breakfast. Listen, pigs in blankets. And not too shabby, huh? Not too shabby. I think I do a good job of making sure that no one goes hungry. Like a Jewish mother, right? We have a nice, clean, organized shop. Everyone has a fairly new service vehicle. Everyone's got nice uniforms. And we chill. I love the engagement that we do with the community. Not only just on the Fridays, with the free Fridays, but I love the fact that we give back to the community with the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization, where we provide free or low-cost plumbing, heating, and cooling services to those in the community who can't afford to hire a professional. You know, it should be everyone's civic duty to pay it forward. You know what I mean? Pay it forward. Give back a little. Oh, there it is. I was looking for this. My jumper cables. What the hell? My jumper cables. I gotta put this back in my tool bag. With that. And then we get to do cool things here. Look at this. I have a hydraulic pressure tester. I have chemicals, and we're melting, or like, don't even ask what we're doing here, ladies and gentlemen, but we have fun. We have fun. And if you're not having fun, and if you're tired of working for a mediocre company, and you got some HVAC experience, you got your Universal 608, holla at me. We can make moves together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a great, great Monday. I'll see you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.